Understanding the Provost's List, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might come across in academic settings, especially in universities, the Provost's List. This video aims to clarify what it means and why it's important. So, let's dive into the details. The Provost's List is an academic honor awarded to students in universities. This recognition is given to students who achieve exceptional academic performance. Typically, it's based on their grade point average, GPA, during a semester. Being on the Provost's List is a significant accomplishment and is often celebrated in academic circles. To be on the Provost's List, students must meet certain criteria. These usually include 1. Achieving a high GPA. The specific GPA requirement can vary between institutions. 2. Full-time enrollment. Students often need to be enrolled in a full course load. 3. No failing grades, maintaining a record free of failures or incompletes. It's important to check with your specific university for their unique criteria. Being on the Provost's List comes with several benefits. Recognition, it's a mark of academic excellence. Enhances CV, resume. It can be a valuable addition to job or graduate school applications. Boosts confidence. It serves as a motivational tool for students. We hope this video has helped clarify what the Provost's List is and why it's an honor in academic circles. Remember, achieving such recognition is a testament to hard work and dedication. Keep striving for excellence in your academic journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Happy learning!